Hey everyone, this is SEA Crypto Daily Buzz. Today is Monday, June 1, 2026, and this channel summarizes the most important crypto news for investors in Southeast Asia. A new month begins with two major Asia regulatory moves and a billion token unlock event on the same day. Bitcoin is trading near $73,500, ETH around $2,000. And the focus is shifting from US ETF outflows to what Japan and Vietnam are quietly building. Let's get into it. First story. Starting today, Japan's financial services agency officially recognizes selected foreign trust-type stablecoins as legal electronic payment instruments under the Payment Services Act. Circle's USDC is the first approved coin, distributed inside Japan by SBI VC Trade, while USDT has not cleared the gate. The deciding rule is not the peg or market size, but whether the issuer's home regulator can share oversight information with the Japanese FSA. This is the first time a major G7 economy has opened its formal payment rails to a foreign stablecoin under a regulated framework. For Southeast Asia, where remittance corridors with Japan are huge for Filipino and Vietnamese workers, this could quietly become a new on-ramp for cleaner USDC-based cross-border payments over the next year. Second story. Vietnam's Ministry of Finance has proposed allowing small and medium-sized enterprises to use digital assets and intellectual property as collateral for bank loans. If the framework is approved, the new rules would take effect on July 1, 2027, giving banks more than a year to build internal valuation and custody policies. This is a structural shift because most Vietnamese SMEs struggle to access credit due to limited traditional collateral, and crypto holdings on local exchanges have grown sharply over the past 3 years. For SEA observers, this is one of the most concrete attempts so far to plug retail and SME crypto holdings into the real banking system, instead of just regulating exchanges. Execution risk is high, but the direction matters more than the timeline. Third story. Ripple unlocks 1 billion XRP from escrow today, worth around $1.35 billion at current prices. This is part of a scheduled monthly mechanism in place since December 2017, and Ripple historically relocks 60 to 80% of the unlock, which puts the realistic net new supply between roughly 200 million and 400 million XRP, or about $272 million to $544 million. XRP is currently trading in the $1.29 to $1.35 range, and short-term traders often react to the headline number rather than the net flow. For SEA traders watching XRP, the lesson is to look at relock data over the next 48 hours rather than the unlock headline. The supply effect is real but usually smaller than the social media narrative suggests. Quick recap of today's 3 stories. 1. Japan recognizes USDC as legal payment instrument starting today. 2. Vietnam proposes letting SMEs use digital assets as bank loan collateral. 3. Ripple unlocks 1 billion XRP today. Net new supply likely 200 million to 400 million after relock. This video is for information and education only and is not financial advice. All investment decisions and risks are your own responsibility. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. And if you want more chart analysis and trading insights, join our free Telegram channel. The link is in the description below. See you in the next one.